Hi students. A piece that I promised to bring back that we've played in previous semesters in ukulele for beginners is Video Killed the Radio Star by the Boogles. And its claim to fame is it was the very first video played on MTV back in 1980, 81 when it came out. Video Killed the Radio Star is a fun piece. You can actually see ukulele strumming clubs across the nation and even in England that play this song together. It's real popular for ukulele strumming groups, and the piece is similar to what I just did with the Scarborough Fair. Is it involves some finger picking, and the opening, the D minor, the C, the F, and the A minor are single 4/4 measures. It's in 4/4, not in 3/4, and you just go from the bottom to the top. Then the second line, slightly different. Now let me spotlight my image. Yeah, there we go. So it was the D minor, which we know D minor's first finger here. These two. I'm using my original, the very first ukulele I ever owned, the Lanakai, and this is with the low G. This arpeggio sounds better with the low G. So it was that. From the bottom to the top, just 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then let me look. I don't want to teach you wrong. Then it was C, then F. Okay, C, then F. So it's so again, very slowly. I'm doing. Oh, excuse me. D minor. C, F, A minor, again the second line, C, F, then a G. Now the changes in the song are every 2 beats. So in a 4/4 measure of 1, 2, 3, 4, you're strumming and you have a beat rest and then you strum a different chord. Let's look at that. So it's straight strums, straight strums. So yeah, this is strum, let it ring, strum, let it ring. That's a measure. The C, the D minor, F to G, strum, let it ring, strum, let it ring. So in other words, it's I heard. So it's I heard you on the wireless back in 52, lying awake intent, turning into you. If I was young, it didn't stop you coming through. Oh, oh. They took the credit for your second symphony, rewritten by machine, new technology. And now I understand problems that you see. Oh, oh. Okay, so a couple faux pas there. Now, if you want to play with the Boogles on YouTube, Pandora, Spotify, whatever your streaming or music platform is, you'll have to capo the first fret. The first fret. And I'm using an all-around, this is a guitar capo, but it works. This is the one with a clamp, the real strong clamp. And it's brown metal, but it tries to look wood. So, and then you play these same chords in the on the second fret. And so on. And then you can play along with the group. We'll look at this piece a little bit more in depth on Tuesday. I'll see you then.